So with the information we have so far, Samsung is gearing up to make significant improvements in the hardware department for the Galaxy S24 lineup. Those include a titanium frame, improved telephoto camera, a two-way satellite connectivity feature, a flat display, a bigger battery, a better display, to name a few. But these aren't the only upgrades Samsung is bringing to the table. Today we have some big revelations about all the S23 phones that take the lineup a step above the competition. Starting with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Ice Universe has updated his renders based on supply chain information, and the phone is now expected to look like this with uniform thin bezels all around and a flat display. Next, you see a couple of days ago we saw that the S24 Ultra would have a really bright display, but we didn't know exactly how bright. Well, that changes today as Ice Universe has revealed the display specifications of the phone. The S24 Ultra will sport a 6.78-inch dynamic AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution. However, the real showstopper here is the reported peak brightness of 2500 nits. To put this into perspective, it's an extraordinary 750 nit improvement over the S23 Ultra. This brightness level would far outshine the peak brightness of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has 2000 nits of peak brightness. However, the record for the brightest display in a phone would still go to Xiaomi, as the Xiaomi 13 Ultra phone can reach 2600 nits of peak brightness. Its display is made by a company named CSOT. Now, what's impressive is that the regular S24 and S24 Plus will also have the same 2500 nits of peak brightness this time, which is awesome. So no disparity in the display across all three variants. Do note that these new displays are not just bright but also thinner, produces vibrant colors, and are more energy efficient, so they don't consume as much battery as the current display. Now here's the best part, Samsung isn't just bringing brighter displays, they're also equipping the Plus variant with a higher resolution panel as well. That's right, the Galaxy S24 Plus will have a Quad HD Plus resolution for the first time in 3 years. The last time we saw a Quad HD Plus resolution in a Plus phone was in the S20 Plus. So instead of 2340 by 1080 pixels, the phone will now have a resolution of 3120 by 1440, the same as the S24 Ultra, which is about time. We've been asking Samsung to stop treating non-Ultra S phones as some sort of second-class phones. Glad that the company finally listened. Also, Ice Universe has made the render of the S24 Plus based on the information from supply chain, and it looks absolutely amazing with those razor-thin bezels. In case you missed it, the S24 Plus will also have a 4900 mAh battery, just 100 less than the S24 Ultra, the same LTPO display technology as the Ultra, and a flat frame. So apart from the camera and S Pen, the S24 Plus will be almost identical to the S24 Ultra, which is awesome. All in all, the S24 lineup is bringing some huge hardware upgrades. Do subscribe to keep up with all the latest updates, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.